this is AB, and this is CD, which are non-intersecting and also non-intersecting and also non-parallel, and also they are, we have AB is one of the line, CD is the one of the line. So in that GH is one of the perpendicular, which is the perpendicular to AB line, and also it is also perpendicular to CD line. Okay. So we have seen already the projection of a line. So this GH is called as a projection of a line AB and also CD. So here we are drawing one more from A to C. So C, A, B here, and just like this. Take the numbers A, B and C, D. Here A, and this is B, and here AC, and here it is D. Okay, if you see the diagram. So we are drawing one of the perpendicular line, which is GH. It is making with AC and also CD. So another line which is perpendicular from A to C, it is the projection of GH on the two given lines. Okay. So here it is also making the angle of, that is right angle. So we can take the angle as that is the 90 degrees. Through that we have that AC, GH is equals to AC into cos theta. GH is equals to AC into cos theta. Okay. So through this, whatever the GH is there, it is making the projection of AC on GH itself. This is called as the shortest distance, shortest line segment. GH, whatever GH is there, it is called as the shortest line segment. So compared to this one, this is the small one. So here whatever the GH is there, it is the shortest line segment, and which is the 10 marks problem we are having, that is finding the shortest line segment. So we have to find the GH value. GH is the projection of AC. Okay. So this, whatever the line is there, it is a projection of AC on line AB and CD. So two lines are AB and CD, and GH is the perpendicular of both of them. It is making the right angle triangles. So we have GH equals to AC into cos theta, and here A and C will have the points as x1, y1, z1, and here x2 and y2, z2. Okay. So the projection of GH is the projection of AC. So that's why we'll write the formula as whatever the shortest line segment. Okay. So this you will have the problem, that will be L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. Okay. So here whatever the points are there, that points L, M, N are here direction ratios. Okay. So those direction ratios will get with the help of the two line equations. So two line equation in symmetrical form will be x minus x1 by L1 equals to y minus y1 by m1 equals to z minus z1 by n1. So there you will get L1, m1, n1 for one line. Second line you will get L2, m2, n2. Okay. So here if you see the procedure of the problem, 129 page number, you have A is the point x1, y1, z1, and C is the point x2, y2, z2. Let L comma M comma N be the direction cosines of the shortest line segment GH. Here GH is perpendicular to both AB and CD. Okay. So after that we have whatever the two line equations are there, for them I have told already L1, M1, N1 will be there. So you will write when GH is perpendicular to this one and also this one. That means the two equations will be x minus x1 by L1 equals to y minus y1 by m1 equals to n1, and also x minus x2 by y minus y2 by m2 by n2. Okay. L, M, N are direction cosines. Okay. So when this is the line AB and this is the line CD. Okay. So when these are perpendicular, GH is perpendicular to AB and CD, we'll write the equation as here L comma M comma N are direction cosines. Okay. So those direction cosines. So those direction cosines. So you are able to see the video. Somewhat it is not getting clarity, no? Hello? Please desktop screen.
Ma'am, the down part is not visible, ma'am.
కింద మనం చార్జర్ ఉంటుంది అక్కడ పైన ఏం లేదు పైన 3/4 స్క్రీన్ వస్తుందంటే అక్కడ ఒకటి మైనస్ సింబల్ ఉంది తర్వాత ఇంటూ సింబల్ ఉంది ఒక బాక్స్ ఉంది ఏ స్క్వేర్ బాక్స్ ఉందన్న okay student just wait some screen problem is there స్టార్ట్ అయిన వచ్చింది అంతే కదా స్క్రీన్ మళ్ళీ మెసేజ్ చేయాలి okay now you are able to see
Yes, ma'am.
okay
Yes, ma'am.
so here L1 M1 N1 L2 M2 N2 are here direction ratios of two line equations L comma N M comma N are the direction cosines okay so when this is for this both one GH is perpendicular so whenever it is a perpendicular we have the condition from first unit you have that is A into A1 plus B into B1 plus C into C1 equals to 0 or L into L1 plus M into M1 plus N into N1 equals to 0. So here these are the direction cosines and these are the direction ratios. When they are perpendicular to each other, we'll write it as L into L1 plus M into M1 plus N into N1 equals to 0. And next one L into L2 plus M into M2 plus N into N2 equals to 0. Okay. First thing is take the two equations. After taking the two equations, you take L comma M comma N as a direction cosines. After that, whatever the direction ratios are there with the when GH is perpendicular to the two line equations, we'll do these two conditions. So you can put this as equation 1, equation 2. After that, this as 3 and this as 4. So on solving these two, 3 and 4, you will get the value of LMN. Okay, I'm telling the working rule of finding the shortest line segment. Okay. So here after finding here L value will get something of that one you will find like this no that is M1 N1 L1 next M1 next here M2 N2 L2 M2 if you do the cross multiplication of this you will get L comma M comma N values. So that is you will get L by so M1 N2 minus M2 N1 equals to M by N1 L2 minus L1 N2 equals to N by L1 M2 minus M1 L2. Okay. So when you do the cross multiplication of that, you will get LMN values. So here these two are perpendicular to the two line equations. Therefore, these three is equals to summation of L square divided by under root of here summation of this one that is summation of M1 N2 minus M2 N1 whole square. Okay, this whatever the summation is there, it represents that here when you take out this summation, it will be L square plus M square plus N square. Okay, after that down, under root of this part is only this one, no, this whole square, this whole square, this whole square. Okay, so this is the formula. How you will find the for the direction cosines? We have no a by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Same similarly here, whatever in the denominator of LMN values you are getting, you have to do the square of those. So this value is 1, we know. So 1 by this whatever summation this part is there, that one. So when you do the cross multiplication of this one, L is equals to 1 by this value. Okay, whatever you will get, that is L value. Next you will get M equals to 1 by this whatever you will do the square of that one. So for direction ratios, if you think here you are getting 2, 3, 4. Next it will be 1 by under root of, it is 2, no? So 4, 9 plus 16. That means it is 29. Okay, so it is 1 by root 29. Sorry, 2 by, here L value is 2, no? 2 by root 29. Next 3 by root 29. Next N is equals here 4, no? 4 by root 29. Okay, this is this whole square plus this whole square. So that is the denominator value. After finding the LMN values, I have told now projection, that is the shortest line segment is there. For shortest line segment, you have the formula, that is L into x2 minus x1. So this is shortest line segment formula, that is L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. So here x2, x1, these are from the two line equations we have, no? From the line equations, whatever the points are there, that points, and LMN values are these LMN. Okay, so when you substitute this one and you simplify this, you will get some answer here. So that is called as the shortest line segment of the given two lines. Okay, the problem will be asked for finding the shortest line segment. After that, you have finding the two equations. So how we have done for the same coplanarity and introduction, same procedure we have to do here for the shortest line segment also. That is for when A. So whatever line AB is there with respect of AB and GH. So one line equation you will get, that is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. After that L1, M1, N1, here L, M, N. So instead of L2, M2, N2, we will write it as L, M, N. Okay. So whatever the LMN values you are getting in the problem, that values you have to find. And if you keep in this formula, then you will get one equation of the line with respect of AB with res GH. Next you will get CD and GH. So two equations will be there. So one is this one and next one is x minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2. This is L2, M2, N2, L, M, N. Okay. If you equate it to 0, you will get one equation. That equation is the equation of the plane through AB line and with the projection of GH. Okay. So first procedure is finding the LMN values. After finding the LMN values, you have to put in the shortest line segment formula. If you will get some answer, that is some value you will get, that is called as the shortest distance of GH. After that, two equations. If you substitute the values in the formulas, you will get the answers. Okay. This is the procedure of finding the shortest line segment. So if you want, you can see whatever the procedure is there in 128, 129 and 130 page number. Okay. So after that, you have example is there. In that example, he has given the three methods. I have told that different methods will be there in the 3D. You can use any method for solving the problems. Okay. So first method is whatever I have told the formulas, that is the first method. And second one we have done for the point of intersection. If you have idea, that is L1 is equals to R, and whatever the line, second line is there, if you take it as first line equation as R1 and second line equation as R2, if you cross multiply, you will get X, Y, Z values. So for first line, you will take the point as P. For second line, we'll take the point as P1, and here you will take it is equals to R, and here you will take it is equals to R dash. So you will get here coordinates of X, Y, Z, and here also coordinate of X, Y, Z. Okay. So you will get like this. So when you do the subtraction of these two, you will get the direction ratios. Okay. So whatever with the help of the direction ratios, you will get, means you may get some values here, L gamma, M gamma, N. Okay. And the points will be in the given lines. Same procedure will be there for the points. So points means x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. So x1, y1, z1 are the points. Okay. So if we substitute them in the formula, same procedure, but here instead of taking the cross multiplication and perpendicularity is there, that conditions we are not using. Through the points with the p and p dash, we are finding the LMN. After finding the LMN through the points, if we do the subtraction of those two, we'll even see the second method also. One problem you can understand that one. So through that you will get the length of the shortest line segment. After that, whatever the points are there, with the help of the points, if you find the length, so that is the length of the shortest distance. Equations means here same points x1, y1, z1, and direction ratios whatever you are getting. If you substitute symmetrical, unsymmetrical to symmetrical form is there in that, you will find x, y, z values. After that we'll find L gamma M N values. After finding those, we'll substitute here as L, as M, as Z minus Z by N. So this is the equation here. We are not substituting the values in any formulas. Just if you substitute like this, you will get only one equation, line equation. Okay. For second method, if you do this, x minus x1 by L, y minus y1 by M equals to Z minus Z by N. Okay. Here almost in all the problems, they will consider only one line equation. If not, you can do same one, x minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2, same L, M, N. Okay. So this is the procedure. Second method. After the third method is only simply means it is as similar as first method. How to find the equations is the same, but to find the direction ratios, it is we are using the coplanarity condition is there, no? X minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 by L1, that is determinant of L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2. If you equate to it 0, you will get one equation. In that you can find what are the direction ratios, LMN values you will get. Okay. So finding the shortest distance part is only different, but finding the equation of the plane, it is similar to first method. Okay. So we'll see one problem. You can understand that one. We'll do in two methods. Third method only length of the distance I will tell, and whatever second part is there, that is the same one. Okay. So the problem is find the length, and so we are going to MEQ questions. So check your progress means you will have the solution. There is a question number 4, I think so. Question number 4, 150 page number. So it is find the length and the equations of the shortest line segment between the lines. Between the lines, two lines are given, and he's also asking find the points where it meets these lines. So here the points are nothing but x1, y1, z1 will be there, no? In the line equation, those are only called as the points. So if any problem is asked, then to find the points where it means x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 given in the problem or only the points. Okay. So here the given two lines are. So this is the fourth question, 150 page number. Okay. All of you are having textbooks, I think so. So first line equation is the given lines are so first one is x minus 3 by 1 equals to y minus 5 by minus 2 equals to z minus 7 by 1. You put it as equation 1. Next, x plus 1 by 7 equals to y plus 1 by minus 6 equals to z plus 1 by 1. You take it as equation 2. Okay, so steps you have, so compulsory in the examination you have to write the steps, don't do directly the problem. Okay, so after that here let L comma M comma N be the direction cosines of line of shortest line segment. Okay, shortest line segment between 1 and 2. Since, see, shortest line segment, I am writing LSS. Okay, shortest line segment. Shortest line segment is perpendicular to 1 and 2. Then we have, so when it is perpendicular to, then we'll get two equations. No, that is this, whatever L comma M comma N is there, LMN, you have to multiply with the direction ratios of the two given line equations. So you will get here L into, that is 1. So L into 1 means you can write it as 1 into L minus 2L plus N equals to 0. Next one 7L minus, sorry, this is M, no, 6M plus N equals to 0. You put it as third and fourth. Okay, solving 3 and 4 by cross multiplication method. Okay, so you can use the cross multiplication method. That is minus 2, here 1, and L quotient is 1, again minus 2, minus 6, next 1, next 7. Okay, so L is minus 2, minus into minus plus 6 equals to M by 7 minus 1 equals to N by minus 6. This is plus 40. You are able to see notes, huh? So you will get here L by 4 is equals to M by 6 is equals to N by 8. So here we can take all the common. 2, if you will take the common, you will get it as 2 M by 3 and N by 4. Okay. So here L comma M comma N values are here 2 comma 3 comma 4. You have to equate it to, that is a formula what we have, summation of L square. So always numerator will be 1 only, but the denominator here the square of this. Okay, that means under root of 2 whole square plus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. Okay, so this will be 1 by 4 plus 9 plus 16. So it is 1 by 16, 4, 20, 29. So it is 1 by root 29. Root 29, it is not a perfect square. So you will have the square root like that only. So 1 by root 29. So now what are the L, here direction cos. Here whatever the L comma M comma N you are getting, those are the direction ratios here. Okay. The direction ratios are, you write first that 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now we are finding the L value. L is equals to, you do the cross multiplication. So you will get 2 by root 29. M equals to 3 by root 29. N is equals to 4 by root 29. Okay. So that we got element values here. So after getting the element values, you have to take the points here. What are x1, y1, z1 from the given lines. After that, substitute in the formula. Okay. So after this, you write the point. A point on line 1 is a point on line. So what is the point on line? X minus 3 by 1 equals to y minus 5 by minus 2 equals to z minus 7 by 1. So what are the points here? 3 comma 5 comma 7. Same. Okay. A point on line 2 is what we have, minus 1 comma minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So these are the point that is on A, and This is on C. So x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Okay. If you want, you can on write upside like this: x1, y1, z1. This is x2, y2, and z2. Okay. So after that, the length of shortest line segment is the projection of join of the points, that is 3 comma 5 comma 7 and also -1 -1 -1. Okay. So what is the formula? L into x2 minus x1 plus m into y2 minus y1 plus n into z2 minus z1. So what is our L? L is 2 by root 29. And here x2 minus x1, that is -1 -3. Here we'll get to avoid that negative value, we can take here either we can write x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1. Okay, both are same. Anywhere you can take the point like that. Okay, 3 of this one means you will get 3 plus 1. Next plus 3 by root 29. 5 plus 1. Next is 4 by root 29 into 7 plus 1. So if you take x2 minus x1, then you will get the negative value. So with the distance you will not have the negative value. That's why you take this point minus that one. Okay. Then you will get the positive values here. 3 plus 4 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 to 8. 8 by root 29 plus 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 3 is 18. 18 by root 29 plus 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 4 is 32 by root 29. Okay. So this is 32. 8 means 40. 40 plus 18 is 58. 58 by root 29. Okay, 58 we can write 29 into 2, no? So that means you can write like this: 29 into 2 by root 29. Again you can simplify this. You are able to see this one. So your last part, shortest line segment is equals to this 2 into root 29. We can write it as root 29 into 29 by 29. So this both will get cancelled. It is 2 root 29. Okay. The shortest line segment is 2 root 29. So now this is the shortest distance. So we have to find only the equations. So for the equations, first you write the equation of the plane containing 1 and in your textbook it has AC on the equation of plane containing the line, equation of plane containing line 1 and shortest line segment. Okay, is, so what is our first line equation? X minus 3, after that y minus 5, z minus 7, and the denominator what we have? Denominator 1 minus 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 1. And here the direction ratios are 2 comma 3 comma 4. One thing, if you get any confusion of taking this direction ratios as L comma M comma M, even we can take these also, whatever you are getting LMN, because in the denominator you have the same value, that is root 29, root 29. You are equating it to 0. So when you take the denominator, whatever it is there common, when you cross multiply that, it will become 0. Okay. If you take this one or this values, you will get the same answer. Okay. If you have any confusion of taking L comma M, either you can take this values or this values. Okay. So here if you take 2, 3, 4 and you equate it to 0. Okay. So you know, I think how to find the determinant. So determinant is, that is x minus 3. So if we'll take out first column and the first row, it is minus 8, minus 3. Okay. Next we have minus of y minus 5. If you take out second column and first row, it is 4 minus 2. After that plus z minus 7. So if you take out that, that is 3 plus 4. Equate it to 0. This is minus 11 x minus 3. Minus 11 minus y minus 5. 2 plus z minus 7. This is 7 equals to 0. So it is minus 11x minus into minus plus 33 minus 2y minus into minus plus 10. Next plus 7z minus 7 sevens of 49. Okay. So it is minus 11x minus 2y plus 7z 33 10 43. 43 means you will get here minus 6 equals to 0. If you will take out minus common, 11x plus 2y minus 7z plus 6 equals to 0. Okay. This is the equation of the plane containing the line 1 and also shortest line segment L comma M comma N values. Okay. So this is the first plane equation. Same similarly, you have to find the second plane equation. Next plane equation is equation of the plane. Equation of plane containing line 2 and shortest line segment. Okay. Is second one is x plus 1, y plus 1, z plus 1, and the denominator you have 7 minus 6 1 2 3 4. You equate it to 0. So this is the 10 marks question, compulsory question you will get. Okay. So this is equals to x plus 1 minus 24 minus 3 minus y plus 1. It is 28 minus 2 plus z plus 1. 7 3s are 21 plus 6 2s are 12. Okay. This is x plus 1 into minus 27 minus y plus 1 into 26. You are able to see here. Okay, let it be plus z plus 1 into this is 12 means 33. Okay. So if you simplify that one, minus 27x minus 27 minus 26y minus 26 plus 33z plus 33 equals to 0. That is minus 27x minus 26y plus 33z. 27 26 means it is 53. 53 means you will get 20. That is minus 20. So when you take out negative common, 26x plus 26y minus 33z plus 20 equals to 0. Okay, so this is the second equation. So like this, you have to find the equation of the plane containing the line 1 and shortest line segment. Okay, so here the points, we have one more question in the problem. No, find the points where the line meets. So here the whatever the lines are there, those lines are here. You write the points where these lines, the points where these lines meet are, so meets are, what are those? Yeah, whatever the x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 values are there, those are only the points. Okay. So for first one, 3 comma 7, and for second line, it is -1, -1, minus 1. Okay. So this is the procedure to find the shortest line segment. So here one chance is there, only if it is asked the question for 5 marks, you will get only to find the shortest line segment. Okay. So if he is asking the both the equations and also the points, then it will be the 10 marks question. Only rarely 2-3 problems are there for finding the points. Okay. But finding the shortest distance and all the equations is the 10 marks question, and this is a regularly asked question. Okay. So this is the first method we have done. So some problems directly you can do with the second method. Even in the second method, you will get the points also. First method through the x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2, we are taking the points here. Okay. So we'll see the second method for this same problem. Okay, first you write the equations. X minus 3 by 1 equals to y minus 5 by minus 2 equals to z minus 7 by 1 equals to r. So you can take r or r dash r1, anything. Okay. Next y, x plus 1 by 7 equals to y plus 1 by minus 6 equals to z plus 1 by 1 equals to r dash. Okay. So you know already that is, if you do the cross multiplication, what you will get? Here you write any point on, you can write this as 1 and 2. Okay. Any point on line, equation 1 is, if you take it as p, then it is r plus 3. Next minus 2r plus 5 and r plus 7. Okay. Any point on 2 is, we can take it as p dash, and it is 7 r dash minus 1 minus 6 r dash minus 1. Next r dash minus 1. Okay. So we are getting the 2 points on line 1 and line 2. Next, after that, p and p dash are general coordinates of points of 2 lines 1 and 2. Okay, try to write the sentences also. Now the direction ratios of p dash. Okay. So the direction ratio of p dash means here we have to do the subtraction of p dash minus p. Means whatever the coordinates of p dash are there, you do the subtraction of p dash with the p. Okay, that will be just for your understanding. I am writing this one. Don't write in the examination. P dash means here p dash minus p. Okay. So whatever our p dash, this is our p dash values. That is 7 r dash minus 1 minus r minus 3. We'll be able to see. Okay. So p dash is equals to 7 r dash minus 1 minus r minus 3. After that minus 6 r dash minus 1 plus 2r minus 5. After that r dash minus 1 minus r minus 7. You do the simplification of this one. That is 7 r dash minus r minus 4. 6 r dash plus 2r minus 6. Next r dash minus r minus 8. Okay. These are the points you are getting for p dash as the direction ratios of the line 1 and line 2. So if you this is the x value, this is y value, and also this is the z value. Okay. So or else you can take them as a L comma M comma 1. It's better if you take. So direction ratios means L comma M comma N. So whatever these points are there, these points are the perpendicular to the line 1 and line 2. So the direction cosines of the 2 line equations are there. No, in the denominator we have 1 minus 2, 1 For first line equation and for second line equation, we have 7 minus 6, 1. So when you multiply this point L comma M with those 2 points, you will get the R1 and R, that is R and R dash values. Okay. So that the sentence is now P dash will be required shortest line segment. Okay, shortest line segment if it is perpendicular to both the given lines. Both the given lines. Okay. So what are the points here? 1 minus 2, 1. Next one is 7 minus 6, 1. Okay, these are the, we have the points for the line 1 and line 2. So 1 into 7R dash minus R minus 4 minus 2 into minus 6R dash plus 2R minus 6. After that plus 1 into R dash minus R minus 8 equals to 0. Okay. Next for second one, it is 7 into 7R dash minus R minus 4 minus 6 into minus 6R dash plus 2R minus 6 plus 1 into R dash minus R minus 8 equals to 0. Okay. So when you simplify this, so third, fourth, they are completed. No, 5 and 6 you can take here. So from 5 we have, if we simplify this, 7R dash minus R minus 4 minus into minus plus 12R dash minus 4R minus into minus plus 6 2s are 12 plus R dash minus R minus 8 equals to 0. So 7, 19, 20. Okay. Minus R, 5R, 6R. Next minus 4, minus 8 is minus 12 and here plus 12 is there. So constant value you are not getting. So this is from the first fifth equation we are getting. So from sixth one, so from sixth, 7 sevens are 49 R dash minus 7R minus 7 fours are 28 plus 36 R dash minus 12R minus into minus plus 36 plus R dash minus R minus 8 equals to 0. Okay. 49, 50. 50 means it is 86 R dash. Okay. Minus 7R, 19. Here it is 20. Okay. Next year minus 28 minus 8 is minus 36 and this both will get cancelled. So it is equals to 0. Okay. So here we are getting for both the values, constant value is not there. So from 5 and 6 we have 20 R dash minus 6R equals to 0 and here 86 R dash minus 20 R equals to 0. So from these two we'll get that because here constant value is not there. So R1 and R2 values are here 0. Okay. R dash is equals to 0 and R is equals to 0. Substitute these value in the point. What is the point here? We have PP dash point is there, no? Substitute R and R dash value in the PP dash. So what is the PP dash? We have 7R2, that is 7 into 0 minus 0 minus 4 you will get minus 6 into 0 plus 2 into 0 minus 6, 0 minus 0. That is you will get it as minus 4 minus 6 minus 8. If we'll take out minus common, and also you can do with the help of the 2, means you'll get 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we got for the first method also same, no? 2, 3, 4 as a direction ratios here. So same similarly here also we have the direction ratios as, therefore the direction ratios are, you write here, the direction ratios are 2, 3, 4. Now we need to find the shortest distance. Okay. So length of the shortest distance is P dash so here the length of the shortest line segment PP dash equals to, we have the points are there, no? So what are our points? Oh, before that, 2, 3, 6. So we have the points here, that is first one what we have 3, 5, 7, and for second one we have -1, -1, -1. Okay. So it is the distance of -1, -3 whole square plus -1, -5 whole square plus -1, -7 whole square. So it is equals to -4 means 16, 6 means 36, plus here -8, it is 64. 8 whole square is 64, so 16 means you get 52, 64. So we'll get it as root 116. Okay. Root 116, you are not having the perfect square, so you can write it as, see, 116, if you do the LCM of this. Okay, so 29, this is equals to 2 root 29. So for the first method, we got the shortest distance, same only, no? Here, before writing this line, you write here, you are able to see, no? Therefore, the coordinates of E and P dash are 3, 5, 7, and also -1, -1, 1. Now you write the length of the shortest distance. The length of shortest line segment is, okay. So if any steps are there, you can see from your textbook, okay. And even you can write here the direction ratios of, we got, no, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the length of shortest line segment is here, the whatever the coordinates of P and P dash are there, you have the length formula, no? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So these points P and P dash we got here from substituting the R value is there, no? R value is equals to 0 and R dash value is equals to 0. So all will get cancelled, only 3, 5, 7 and also -1, -1 will be left. If you do the subtraction of those and square, you will get the length of the shortest distance. So what is the equation now? So the equation of plane is, the equations of the shortest line segment are, x minus x1. So our x1 is 3 by what is the direction ratio 2, y minus y1 by direction ratio 3 and z minus 7 by 4. Okay. So almost one line equation will be only given in your textbook. You can write either with the help of the second point also. X plus 1 by 2 equals to y plus 1 by 3 equals to z plus 1 by 4. Okay. Two line equations. So these line equations and whatever with the first method you got, both will be different. Okay. If you cross multiply them also, you will get the xy values, only z value will be not there. So these equations are the equations of the shortest line segment with the line 1 and also line 2. Here you see 3, 5, 7 are the points of the line 1, and these whatever minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 are there, these are the points of the line 2. And in the denominator we have written the direction ratios. So this is the procedure how to find the shortest line segment and also equations with the help of the second method. Okay. So which method is convenient for you, you can use that method while solving the problem. So in the examination they will consider the two methods while doing the validation. Okay. So you can use any method. Points are here same, 3, 5, 7, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 are the points which meets the lines. Okay. And in the third method, so for that you have the 133 page number diagram is there. So somewhat different to the skew lines diagram. Okay. Here AB and CD both are means they are not parallel and also non-intersecting. So he has drawn one like this and another one like this CD. Okay. Here three plane equations are there. First pi 1 is there, pi 2, pi 3. So with the help of these three plane equations we are finding the shortest line segment here. Okay. So whatever the procedure is there, that you procedure, just you try to read them and understand that. So in the examination if you do the first and second method, it's enough. Third it is easy also, means you do the third method. Okay. So after finding the line 1 and line 2, since the plane pi 1 contains AB, that is the line 1, and is further parallel to CD, that is line 2, its equation is given by. So for this we are going direct into the, only will find the shortest distance. Okay. Finding the equations is the same one. Okay, for third method, it is the equation of plane, whatever the steps is there you write. So this is first x minus x1, y minus 3, y minus 5, z minus 7, and in the denominator we have 1 minus 2, 1. What are the, this is the formula C, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2. If you remember this formula, this is the formula we have used for finding the coplanarity and also intersection of the two planes. So intersection of the two lines, after showing that the two lines intersect each other or the two lines are coplanar to each other, for finding the we'll find the equations, no, two equations. For that equation we have used this formula. This is the one plane equation. Another plane equation is x minus x2, y minus y2, z minus z2, same L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2. So here x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, L1, M1, N1, and then L2, M2 are 7, minus 6, 1. Okay. When you equate it to 0, so for third method, whatever the points, sentences you have in your textbook 133 page number, for this problem also you write those points. Okay. So it is x minus 3, minus 2, plus 6, minus y minus 5, 1 minus 7, plus z minus 7, minus 6, plus 14 is equals to 0. So it is x minus 3, 4, minus y minus 5, minus 6, plus z minus 7, this is 8. Okay. So So 4x minus 12 plus 6y minus 6 5s are 30 plus 8z minus 7 8s are 56 equals to 0. So it is 4x plus 6y plus 8z. This is minus 42 minus 56. Minus into minus plus. So this will be minus 98. You will get. You can take here 2 common. If you take out 2 common, it is 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 49 equals to 0. Okay. So this whatever the line equation you are getting. So we got for the first method and also for the second method, the direction ratios are here. So what are the coefficients of x by z? You are getting 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So here the direction ratios are 2, 3, 4. So you got the same direction ratios, no? So now to find the distance between that is the length of the shortest distance. Here we'll take the points. So for this we have the formula is so you write the sentences whatever are there. That is a perpendicular distance of the point. Perpendicular distance of the point. So we are taking here the second line point, that is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, lying on CD, that is line 2. From this plane is okay. So here we have taken the direction ratios from the first line equation. So first line equation we have done the determinant equals to 0. From that we got the direction ratios. Here with the help of the second line equation, second line points are what? X2, Y2, Z2. So with the help of these points and also whatever the direction ratios we got from the first line equation, if you multiply them, you have the distance formula is there, no? That is minus 1 into 2, 2 into minus 1, plus 3 into minus 1, plus 4 into minus 1. So what is the line equation? We have minus 49, no? Okay, minus 49 by under root of, if you remember the formula, it is a into a dash plus b into b dash plus c into c dash plus whatever the d value will be there, that d value by under root of a square plus b square plus c square. So that is we are using the perpendicular distance formula here for finding the shortest line segment. Okay. By what are the direction ratios quotient here? It is 2 whole square plus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. Okay. So we got the plane equation there. No, it is 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 49 equals to 0. Okay. So in this plane equation, we are putting the point here. Okay. So in place of x, y, z, we are substituting minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So this is the perpendicular distance formula we have seen in second or third unit, I think. Okay. So there we have seen the plane equation. So a into a dash plus b into b dash plus c into c dash minus d, whatever the in the equation d value is there, that d value under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. So now if you simplify this, we'll get it as this value is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 49 by you'll get it as 4, 9 and 16. So it is numerator 49, 50, 51, 7 means 58. So minus 58 by root 29. Okay. So if you take this as a mod, So here negative value, it will go to the positive one, 58 by root 29. So distance, it will be never be the negative value. Okay, so you take the positive one. So 58 means same, similarly 2 into 29 by root 29. You can write it as 2 into root 29 into root 29 by root 29. Both will get cancelled. So it is equals to root 2 root 29. Okay. So we got from the three methods, we got the same shortest distance. Okay. And here for this one, the equations are the same similar formulas what we have seen for the first method. Okay. That is determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, l1, m1, n1, and l, mn values equating to 0. Okay. So only the finding the shortest line segment is different from the first method. Okay. So these are the three methods. So it's your choice. You can use any method. So for solving the problems. Okay. So if you'll see the MEQ questions on shortest distance, so you have many problems are there on shortest distance only. So second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, even ninth also. Up till ninth, all are given in the symmetrical form. Okay. That is, I think already we have seen in third and fourth unit what is a symmetrical line equation and also unsymmetrical line equations. So 1 to 9th question, these are in the symmetrical form only. So with the help of these any three methods, you can find the shortest line segment. If you'll see the 10, 11, 12, okay. So these three problems are you having the line equations in unsymmetrical form. Okay. So if we'll see 10, 11 and 12. Okay. So already in intersection, that is in fourth unit, we have seen the how to find with the help of the unsymmetrical line equations to show that what is a point of intersection, whether the two given line equations are intersecting or not. That is the second method procedure is there. No, it is equals to r into r1. When only one line equation is given in symmetrical and another given in the unsymmetrical. But here in the 10th, 11th, 12th questions, you will see two line equations are in unsymmetrical form only. So one method is whatever the two line equations are there, those two line equations, you can convert them into symmetrical form. Okay. We have in third unit, that is first thing we have to put z equals to 0 in the two planes of the one line equation. We know that combination of two planes is called as a line equation. So if we'll put z equals to 0, we have to find x, y, z values. Okay. That you will get as a point. And when you'll take these two plane equations as perpendicular to each other, we will get L, M, N values. Those are the direction ratios. If you substitute them in the formula, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, then you will get the line equation in symmetrical form. Okay. So when you convert the two plane equations into one line equation, you will get one line equation, and next two plane equations into lines in symmetrical form. Okay. So you will get the problem converted into, if you'll see example you have in your textbook, directly he has given the symmetrical form line equations. Okay. So that is one, two methods are there for solving this type of problems. First method is converting the unsymmetrical line equation into symmetrical line equation. Then same procedure. First method is there, no? Means what are x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, and l1, m1, n1, l2, m2, m2. So directly in the formulas, if you substitute, you will get the shortest distance and also you will get the equations. Okay. Another method is taking the combination of two plane equations. That is here, if you see the 10th problem, 5x minus y minus z equals to 0 plus lambda, means you are joining the two plane equations with any another value, that is a lambda or k, anything you can take, plus lambda into x minus 2y plus z plus 3 equals to 0. And second line equation with any, if you take that as lambda 1, you take this as lambda 2 or lambda or mu, anything. Okay. So when you combine those two plane equations and when you means equate those two equations, you will get the lambda value and mu value. So that process will be, means this is another method and that is another method. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see the second method. First thing is, today if you have time, you convert the given equation into symmetrical form and then you follow the procedure. Okay, so almost you will get the same answer. This one, this method, and whatever the second method is there. Second method is no need of converting into symmetrical form directly. If you add two plane equations with lambda and mu and equate the whatever the same like terms are there for xyz and for xyz in two plane equations, you will get some relation. You will get through that you have to find the shortest distance and also equations. Somewhat lengthy it will be there, but compared to first one is the easy method. Why? Because easy means it is also lengthy. Why? Because first z value you have to put 0, then you have to find xyz. After that you have to find l comma m comma n. Then you have to substitute them in formulas. You will get shortest distance. After that, if you substitute in another formulas, you will get the equation of plane. Okay, so that is the one procedure. So conversion of symmetrical form example you have in your textbook. So with the help of that, you do the problem of 10, 11, 12. Second method I will tell tomorrow. Okay, so by tomorrow, in this one more topic is there, examine the nature of intersection of the planes. So last week I have told that one, finding the determinant, that is a delta value means whatever the x1, y1, z1 values are there, no, if you put them in the determinant and if you equate it to 0, there you will have the whether the planes whatever they are intersecting, they are forming a prism or triangular prism, or they are intersecting each other, or they are intersecting at a point. Okay, this you have on page number 140. So 3 plane equations will be given. So if you write them as a determinant, so that is whatever the coefficients of x, y, z are there, you write as rows. So you'll get the 3 rows and 3 columns. If you find the determinant, if that value is 0, first delta value will be there. That delta value is 0 means two conditions will be there. First, if delta value is 0 and other delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 values are non-zero, then it forms a prism. If delta 1, delta itself is not equals to 0 means they intersect at a point. Okay, if all delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 values are 0 means the set of the given planes intersect in a line. So 3 different types of intersection of planes will be there. So this is the 5 marks question in this unit. Okay, this also compulsory question. So 1 10 marks question shortest distance and 1 5 marks means 15 marks you will get from this unit. Okay, so tomorrow we'll try to complete the 5th unit. So next last we have no class next Sunday. So for your timetable it is given 26th and 27th only, no, last.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after 6th unit you will not get almost any questions. So this even long answers also you will not get, short answers also. Just to know the concept it's enough. So we are not going into the 6th unit. After that we have the sphere is there. Here the equation of the sphere is important, finding the radius and center of the sphere. Okay, if you know that concept, it is also the 10 marks question in block 3. So 7th unit is about, whole thing is about the sphere only. Next 8th unit we have the tangent of a plane is there, and the equation of the sphere and the combination of a plane equation is called as a circle. So that concept you will have. So next class we may not complete this one also. So just we'll see the equation of sphere, center, radius concept, and we'll go to the last day we'll go to cylinder and cone is there, no? It is in the 11th and 12th unit we have cone and cylinder. In that, if you know what is the equation of the cone and what is the equation of the cylinder, it's enough. With the help of that only you have the problems are there. Okay, so last day even we'll see the important questions of 3D. So when you have examination, date has come, no? 28,
25th, ma'am.
25th of April.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so timetable it is 26th and 27th only, no, last classes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually 2 more classes were there, but already in the April means you will have, I think so, practical exam will be there, practicals will be there. So that's why they have deleted the 2 classes. Okay,
Ma'am, 5th semester practicals when they will conduct, ma'am?
5th semester.
Yes, ma'am.
You already they have given dates, no? For you, it is not given in the. You have seen your website, huh?
Ma'am, tomorrow is the last class, ma'am.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be the last class, ma'am.
No. Next week we have two
No.
classes, no?
27th.
Okay,
26th and 27th.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. They have given timetable for 5th semester.
No,
So
ma'am.
you check
In practical
for the 5th
classes, they
semester.
did not tell me.
Elective classes 26th and 27th is the last class. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
practicals.
So whatever the problems I have told, try to practice them. So 3D practice only we have to do. Theorems are not there, only problems are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Ma'am,
Yeah, what?
equation of sphere is for 5 marks, ma'am.
Equation of CF 5 marks.
Ma'am, for how many marks they will ask it, ma'am?
Equation of the sphere means if he's only asking the equation of the sphere, means actually the equation of the sphere and finding the center and also radius. These three combination will be there. It is a 10 marks question. Okay.
Yes.
4 points will be given. 4 coordinates will be there. Okay. So with the help of those coordinates, you have to substitute those coordinates in actually what is the standard equation of the sphere. Okay. That is standard equation of the sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy 2wz plus d equals to 0. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
When you substitute the 4 coordinates in that plane, whatever the equation is there, you will get 4 equations. Okay.
So
if you solve those 4 equations, you will get u, v, w, and also d values.
Yes, ma'am.
After getting the u, v, w, the center is whatever c is there, it is minus u, minus v, minus w. Okay. So radius is r is small r is equals to under root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Okay.
Yes,
so this is the procedure. The main thing, the main part is whatever the 4 equations you will get, those 4 equations solving is the lengthy process.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So that's why compulsory sphere, whatever the problem is there, they will give for 10 marks question.
Yes, ma'am.
So block 3, 10 marks is the sphere. Anyone you may get from the other units, whatever the 9th and 8th units are there, no?
Yes,
so from that one question you will get one is the sphere equation. Okay. Even for the bits also you will have objective type, no?
MCQs.
There also any direct they will give the equation and they'll ask what is the center and what is the radius. So center means here you, if you will see the equation in x, whatever I have told, x square, y square, z square, 2ux, you should know how to find u, v, w values directly seeing the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Then options will be there, no? A, B, C, D.
Yes, ma'am.
If they match with your center, then you can easily opt the questions. So like that questions also you will get for the 1 mark. That is objective type is there, no? Multiple choice.
Yes, ma'am.
There also you will get even math the following also. The center of the given sphere is, or the radius of the given sphere. Means directly if the sphere is given means from that you can find. If 4 coordinates are given means it is the 10 marks question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that is on block 1, that is important, and block 4 I have told no, regular cylinder will be there and also regular cone will be there.
Cone.
Equation of the cone, equation of the, so 12th A and B questions will be there, no?
Yes,
section A.
In that cylinder and cone will be asked.
Cylinder and cone you will get.
Yes,
so that in that also regular cylinder is there, regular cone is there. Just a slight somewhat difference will be there in, if you know the concept of cone, you can easily know the concept of cylinder.
Cylinder.
Okay? So tomorrow we'll complete this, no? Shortest distance, one more method I will tell, and those nature of intersection I will tell. If time is there means we'll go to the only one problem on sphere. So if you know same sphere also, you will have many MEQ questions. How you have the shortest distance problems are there, no? 7 to 8. Similarly, with different coordinates, he will ask the problems.
Yes, ma'am.
So there you will get many 1, 2, 6, 7, 8 like that problems, but the procedure is the same one. Okay.
Yes,
so there, if time is there means we will see one problem on sphere. After that, next week means 26th Saturday, no? On that day, we'll try to see the cylinder and cone, just somewhat introduction and formulas, how to find the equation. Okay.
Yes,
Means
ma'am.
27th, we need to take the important questions, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So while telling the units only, I am telling. So up till this 5th unit, yeah, with the help of the textbook only, I am telling, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever the topics I have told, try to read them, means just practice those problems. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can score good marks in 3D compared to the linear algebra. Linear algebra
Yes.
means you will have all the theorems will be there.
Theorems. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes.
try to practice those theorems. I have given all the important theorems, whatever you will get in the examination. So try to practice those all theorems. And here in block 3 and block 4 of linear algebra. Okay, I'm talking about linear algebra. In linear algebra, you try to do the rank of the matrix in the normal form is there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
That one. And elementary transformation do not alter the rank of the matrix theorem. That is a compulsory. And Cayley-Hamilton theorem. And
Yes,
Bessel's
ma'am.
inequality in block 4, Schwarz inequality, triangle inequality, parallelogram law, and also Gram orthogonalization process is there, no? So
Yes,
these
ma'am.
all are the 10 marks theorems. So by heart them, just to practice them, and also miss these are the anywhere you'll write 3 series, no? ABC 3 series you will write. Any one series you will get compulsory these theorems. Okay. Other than
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
you are not having any other theorems. So
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you will get in one series Cayley-Hamilton theorem, in another series you will get the elementary transformation. So in
Yes.
the third series you may get the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Proof is there, no? Verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem.
Yes, ma'am.
Finding the A inverse. So that is also 10 marks question.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will write almost A or B. C only some people they will write. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
try to practice the problems. Third and fourth black, whatever you have in linear algebra concepts, linear equations are also there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
First 2 blocks are all the theorems are there. So if you have any chance of getting those theorems, try to practice them. But you can score good marks in third and fourth block in linear algebra. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
be perfect with all the theorems and also problems you have in your textbook. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes,
in inner product space also I have told problem. Finding the linearity, non-negativity. Okay. That problem
yes,
also try to practice. You will get one compulsory inner product space problem also.
yes, ma'am.
And these whatever the laws are there, these laws are all important. Anywhere in the multiple choice also you will get. And also you have the chance of match the following or in the fill in the blanks also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So main textbook only you follow. No need of even getting the model papers also. Whatever topics you have in your textbook, either in 3D or in linear algebra, you will get the topics from the textbook only.
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever the theorems important I have given and whatever the problems I have given, try to practice them. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this time, no, last time only 10 marks question and 20 marks questions were there. No objective was there. So easily many members, they have got full marks. Okay. This time 20 marks you will have for the objective type
Objective.
and 20 practicals you will have, and whatever it is left, you will have with the subjective this one. Okay.
Ma'am, we'll be having practical classes, ma'am.
Practicals, they have April 4th, I think so. Some date has been come. In April only you will have the practical classes.
Yes, ma'am.
So by April 15 or 16 they will complete. Why? Because 25 already date is given no for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before that they'll complete. If time is there means even they'll complete the practical exam also.
Before
If
the theory
before
exam.
they complete the practical classes, it's useful for you for writing the theory exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, some concepts even you have in your practical test, whatever the manual book will be there with you. So in that
Those
some problems are
examples.
there on basis, how to find the basis of a given, you will have the equation, no? So for
Yes, ma'am.
that, that is R3 or R2, R1, any standard basis. Through that, how to find the basis, you have the concept in practical classes. In theory
Yes,
means
ma'am.
only theorems are there. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
compulsory try to attend all of you practical classes. Whatever the questions you have in your practical textbook also, from that also they will ask the questions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So try to practice those all problems from the practical manual also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, some multiple choice question also you will get, and also this whatever the 5 marks and 10 marks questions are there, no, that concept also you will get from the manual book. Okay. For all, even not only this semester, for all semesters you will get the questions from the manual book and also from the textbook.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
don't neglect the manual. Okay, Amma, bye. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.